Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to Huntington Hills, the newest community by True Homes in Lincolnton, North Carolina. So if you've been searching for a community that combines modern home designs, flexible living spaces, and everyday convenience, Huntington Hills may be exactly what you've been looking for. Located just about 3 miles from downtown Lincolnton, this community offers peaceful surroundings while still providing convenient access to shopping, dining, grocery stores, everyday services, and major roadways for easy commuting and regional travel. So today, we're going to be touring one of True Homes' most versatile semi-custom floor plans, the Raleigh. Starting at $389,900, the Raleigh was thoughtfully designed to offer both functionality and flexibility for the way families live today. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice the spacious and welcoming layout. Right off the entry, there's a private study, making this the perfect setup for remote work, a home office, library, or even a quiet flex space. Continuing through the main level, the home opens beautifully into the spacious great room, creating the ideal place for gathering with family or entertaining guests. Now, the kitchen is both functional and stylish, with plenty of workspace and storage flowing seamlessly into the separate dining room, designed for both everyday meals and special occasions. Now, one of the standout features on the first floor is the guest bedroom paired with a full bathroom, giving guests or multi-generational households added comfort and privacy. Now, let's head upstairs because this level offers even more space and versatility. The oversized primary suite truly feels like a retreat, complete with its own sitting area, perfect for relaxing after a long day. The luxury ensuite bathroom adds another elevated touch with features including a rain head shower, creating a spa-like feel right at home. Upstairs, you'll also find 3 additional bedrooms, a conveniently located laundry room, and a versatile bonus room that could easily become a media room, playroom, second living area, gym, or additional workspace depending on your lifestyle needs. Now, one thing buyers love about True Homes is the semi-custom experience, giving homeowners the ability to personalize finishes and design selections to better match their style and preferences. So, whether you're buying your first home, upgrading for additional space, or simply looking for a thoughtfully designed home in a growing area, the Raleigh at Huntington Hills offers a layout designed to fit a variety of lifestyles. And if you're interested in Huntington Hills or other new construction communities throughout the Charlotte and surrounding areas, make sure you reach out to me directly, because when you choose me as your realtor, you may also receive access to exclusive builder incentives. I hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.